Hello and welcome to a new music class with Miguel. Today we're going to learn some new bass exercises. Okay, here we go. The first exercise, let me move this, is going to be called position shifting. Okay, why? Because if you remember from last exercises, okay, we assigned every fret to one finger. So now we're going to shift that position through the fretboard of the bass, in the guitar in this case. So the first exercise has two sub-exercises. The first one, if you see right here, let's go and focus on the first bar. We're going to play the first bar, then the second, then the third, and the fourth. But the second exercise, it doesn't say 1, 2, 3, 4, it says 2, 3, 4, 5. But what we're going to do is we're going to shift this position. So instead of having the first finger on the first fret, we're going to move it one fret. And finally we have the same fingers, but now we're going to have the frets of the second bar right here. 2, 3, 4, and 5. The same thing will happen now on the third fret. We're going to begin on the third bar. The same thing will happen on the third bar, and we're going to begin on the third fret. So instead of the fingers being in this position, we're going to shift again one fret. And now we have frets number 3, 4, 5, and 6. And finally, for the last bar, we're going to begin in the fourth fret. So again, we shift the position from the third bar to the fourth. 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the entire exercise will sound like this. Let me lower my camera so you can see it. Here it is. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, that was the first part of the exercise, exercise number 1A. Then we go to exercise number 1B. We're still going to shift positions, but now we're going to shift them even more. Okay, so the first bar will be the same, the exact same as 1A, 1, 2, 3, 4. But on the second bar, as you can see, we begin in the 5th fret, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the third, you continue, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you're going all the way through the fretboard using the same 4 fingers. So the first bar is 1, 2, 3, 4. When you get to here, you shift, and this finger will now go to the 5th fret. And then it will go to the 9th fret. So this will sound, if we do it one take, it will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that is exercise 1, both 1A and 1B. Now we go to the next exercise. Now, all the other exercises, the one from today and the other ones from last week, we're focusing a little bit more on the left hand. On this exercise, we're going to focus a little bit more on your right hand, okay? Specifically, these 2 fingers, okay? The fingers 1 and 2, okay? As you can see here, we're not going to move our left hand. Everything we're going to do it on the 5th fret, right here. But the rhythm is going to change, okay? In the first bar, we have 4 quarter notes. Then in the second bar, we have 8 eighth notes. And then in the third bar, we have 16 16th notes. So it means that with every beat, we're going to play 1 note here on the first bar. On the second, we play 2 notes per beat. And on the third one, we play 4 notes per beat. Okay? So it's going to be right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the second bar, you can count it as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and da 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 da. And then the third bar is going to be, you can count like taka taka, taka taka, taka taka, taka taka, taka taka. So if I play, let's play the first bar. So play bar by bar. So first bar is 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second bar is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last bar is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. That is one thing. The other thing you need to know is right here on these red letters. It says alternate fingers 1 and 2 of your right hand when playing the exercises. So it's going to be like this. Okay, it's you play one note with the finger number 1 and then the other note, finger number 2, and you keep alternating like that. Okay, like this. I'm going to play the entire exercise so you can see exactly what I'm doing with my 2 fingers of my right hand. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? You can pause the video and practice. You can go back and rewind so you can see exactly how am I doing, and as much as you want. Okay? So those are the 2 exercises that you have for this week. It's not really difficult, but if you've never played bass before, that position shifting that you do with the left hand or the alternating fingers fast with the right hand might be a little bit difficult, okay? But it's only until you get used to it, and then you won't even feel it when you're playing like that, okay? This is going to be so natural to you. So that's what you're going to do for this week, those 2 exercises. Again, remember you have 1 week to do them all, and I will see you next class. Bye-bye.